So let us see over here how to calculate the LCM and GCD and LCD. Okay, as LCM and GCF. Okay, LCD calc and GCD calc. Okay, so here I have defined two variables A and B, A as 10 and B as 20. Okay, now I have written two functions. We will see the output later. So I've written two functions, one for LCD and one for calculating GCD. So for LCD, I'm writing definition, which is the keyword LCD A comma B, return A multiplied by B divided by GCD, which is again another function of A and B. Okay. So definition of LCD is this. Now, if I'm calling this, it is going to return me the output which I have stored in the variable output, and I'm printing that output if I'm calling this. Okay. Now, what is GCD? So first, let's forget about LCD now. So this is my first function. So let me comment it out for the meanwhile. Let us first understand the GCD. Now, what is GCD doing? So now definition function says GCD is A comma B. If A is equal, A and B are equal, okay, both the values are equal, then only return me A. If A is greater than B, then return me GCD function A minus B comma B, else return GCD of A comma B minus A. Okay, so let me write GCD over here first. So let's run this. Let's see the output for GCD. What is it saying? Line 6. Let me completely remove this. Name GCD is not defined. GCD, okay, it is GCDS, okay. So GCDS, okay. So now if you see, the answer is 10. So why it is 10? A is 10, B is 20. Okay, so which condition is it satisfying? So A is 10, that means B is greater than A, right? So A is not greater than B, so A is not equal to B, so that means A is less than B. So it comes to the else condition, which says A comma B minus A. A is 10, B minus A, 20 minus 10 is again 10. And if I want the common gross common GCD, then I'm getting the answer as D, denominator. Okay. Now, if I interchange the values, I give both as 10. Okay, let's say this is also 10 and this is also 10. Let me run for the GCD. So I'm getting the answer is 10. If A is equal to B, so this condition is satisfied for GCD function. It returns me as A. Okay. Now I do change the value as A as 20 and B as 10. Now if A is 20 and B is 10, okay, which condition is satisfied? The second condition. If A is greater than B, return A minus B, which is 20 minus 10 is again 10, comma B. B is 10. So the common GCD is 10. Alright. Now after doing this, okay, now let me calculate the LCD. So for LCD, what is the formula? I'm defining another function as LCD, A comma B, return A multiplied by B divided by the output, which is 10. Okay, let's keep the values same. So that here it is following this condition, A is greater than B, and now I want to find out LCD instead of GCD. So I'm going to give LCD of A and B, and I'm going to print that output. So if I run this, I get to see the output as 20. Why? So LCD is A multiplied by B. A is 20 multiplied by 10, that is 200. Okay, here we get it as 200, which is A multiplied by B is equal to 200, right? Now divided by GCDS of A comma B. So earlier we have seen the GCD of A comma B was 10. So what does it give me? The answer as 200 divided by 10, which gives the output as 10. And here we see, 200 divided by 10, which gives the output as 20. And here we get the output as 20. So this is how it is working. Alright, have a great day. Bye-bye.